This amp made my trunk rattle like the apocalypse. Taramps Smart 3 Review, 3000 watts of madness. Let's face it, your setup's holding you hostage. You crank the volume, expecting bass thunder, and get static and sadness. Your subwoofers are ready to roar, but your amp's out here whispering lullabies. Whether you're building your dream ride or flexing at car meets, weak power and sketchy amps ruin the whole vibe. The wiring's a mess, your bass response is laughable, and every song sounds like it's trapped in a tin can. You didn't drop money on those subs just to babysit underperformance. If your system feels stuck in neutral, the Taramps Smart 3 might be the no-shot you need. You miss that drop. The punchy bassline. The face-melting flex that shakes your rearview mirror loose. Instead? Distortion. Clipping. Overheating. And don't get us started on blown fuses right before the party. The deadlines for your custom builds are tighter than ever, burnout is creeping in, and your motivation's flatlining every time your sound falls short. The stress is real. Your rig deserves better, and so do your ears. If you're pouring hours into your car but getting clown car audio, it's time to admit something's broken, and it's not just the volume knob. It's your amp game. Say goodbye to power-hungry junk and hello to 3000 watts of glorious, clean Class D rage. The Smart 3 is the king of multi-impedance amps, priding on 1 to 2 ohms like a beast in its element. It's not just power, it's precision, smart cooler tech, bass boost, high-low pass filters, and the LED that flexes your real-time output like a power meter for audio freaks. And yeah, this ain't no sissy plug-and-pray amp, it's short-circuit proof, voltage flexible, and thermally protected. Whether you're in a car, truck, or motorcycle, it adapts, delivers, and dominates. This is your audio's glow-up moment. No more fighting spaghetti cables or Googling why is my amp smoking. With its sleek footprint and robust construction, the Smart 3 slips into any install like a glove. Forget separate power supplies or fragile circuits, it runs clean off 9 to 16 volts DC and handles up to 150 ampere without breaking a sweat. Get the sound you want with real EQ controls and variable low-pass crossover. Craving those chest-thumping lows or clean-cut highs? It's all yours. This isn't just an amp, it's a performance enhancer for your subwoofers. Hit that description link and see the beast in action before it disappears. Thousands of audio junkies already swapped their sketchy setups for the Smart 3, and the hype is legit. Reviews are lit with folks raving it bangs at just 20% volume. This is one of the most trusted names in the car audio world, and it's exclusive to Taramps. If you've been burned by knockoff gear or underpowered clunkers, this is your moment to flip the script. Ready to level up? Act fast, this isn't a maybe later kind of upgrade. It's a click now or regret it forever moment. Your subs are waiting. Your ears are begging. Make them proud.